now guys, we need to play multiplayer and get start of the Call of Duty, and we got hijack this guys. Oh, I think we're in this enemy spot. Oh no, this can't be lying. This is so easy.
Enemy contact. Roger that.
Hey. Oh, someone.
Enemy in sight.
Hello.
Target down. Ready for deployment.
And I got this.
Contact with enemy.
You're so pretty.
Stand by.
Let's pick a ball.
Enemy in sight.
Let's pick a ball.
Contact with enemy.
May panibago tayong kampiyon dito ni Masab.
Contact with enemy.
Uy, ako na si Black Panther. Oh no, but two enemies.
Target in sight. Guys, this one Goliath is ready.
Hey, stop bothering me with this gun.
Hindi ko iwan si Spider-Man. Lagi ako si Spider-Man.
Akan Black Panther.
Hindi mo iiwan, no? Magkakasama tayong tatlo magkakampi.
Oh, enemy team.
Target down.
Yo, so suck enemies.
Targets in
They
sight.
are sucks.
Targets in sight.
This is my target.
Down. Contact with enemy.
With this.
Uy, tumulong kayo dito.
Enemy in sight.
Oh, are you dumb? I'm here.
Contact with enemy.
You're so close to me, and you're not aiming me. Wow, that's so really nice. This enemy.
I got shot. Contact with enemy.
We got 19 and enemies 5.
Target in sight.
Pick one. And... Oh,
Enemy in sight. Tango down.
you're so sark ball.
Enemy contact. Enemy down. Contact
This-
with enemy.
Wait, I'm gonna quit.
Ay, kain ko na lang si Romeo. Awa. Uy, busy-busy nga ako dito. Ano ba, diba? Ay, sorry. So makatingin na lang yung piyok-piyok ko. Aray ka na lang. Yung baril.
Okay guys, we need
Water
need-
lang.
we did
Water lang pala
free
yun
for
eh.
all.
Water gun. Water gun.
I like milk towns.
Water gun. Sabihin kita.
Okay guys, we need to win this of my pro. Yes. I got 2 of them right. Hey, stop bothering me.
Stand by.
You sucks. Do you want punch? Here's a punch. Oh, I'm so scared of you. Hey.
Nexus 1 Goliath is ready.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Got 9 kills. You got 3 kills. Do you want another punch? Ouch. That hurts so much. We're gonna throw a bomb. Oh, I'm scared of you. I think I'm safe here. I think I'm safe. Oh! No. I need to kill this one. This knockout. Blue. Hey, I got 18. My enemy got 4 kills. That's so pretty nice. I got 20 now. I get level 77.
Uy, ako si Spider-Man, ikaw si...
Oh. I got 4 kills.
Nagkaroon doon ng baril si Spider-Man. Ano ba?
And I got triple kills.
Double kalaban. Hindi mo daw ako mabol.
So guys, wait. So guys, wait for the part 2. So bye-bye.